2, 3 times. Yes, and then alone. That's good. 2, 3 times. And then let her alone. Good. A little bit down with your hands. Good. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Hallo, Petra.
Hallo, Petra. Die hat eingestopft.
Also, siehst du, deswegen. Dann ist der, guck mal, dann ist der da draußen. Yeah, yeah. This better canter is a good active canter. This is good. That was good collected. Very good now. Yeah. So she's active. She's good now. And you go on. You go on. Yeah. Yeah. Good change. Yes. But she is, you see, she is in trouble, but she's under control, huh? Go on. Oops.